How to recover permanently deleted emails. In this video, I'll show you guys a method that you can use to recover your emails. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and then simply go to gmail.com. Make sure that you are logged in. And if you are not able to find the email that you're looking for, then it most probably got deleted from your inbox. You can just go ahead and click on the show more option. Sometimes what happens is they will be moved to your archives. So it's a good way to check your archives. And if you just go to the spam option, you could also see if there are any emails on your spam. The next step is to head over to trash. And once you head over to trash option, sometimes the deleted emails might be stored here. So it will be here for 30 days, but if it has been more than 30 days, you won't be able to find it on your trash. And sometimes what happens is your archive chats or emails will be moved to all mails. So go ahead and click on all mails. And if you're still not able to find it here, open up a new tab on your browser and then simply go ahead and search for missing Gmails and then hit enter. Now from here, you'll find the Gmails are missing support.google.com. Go ahead and open this link. From here, select your device. I'm right now using a computer. Then scroll down and here select the category where it says most of my emails are missing. Now, if your emails are missing from your account, someone may have accessed your account so they can help you find the missing email and secure your account. Click on this link. Now, once you do that, they will show you the Gmail recovery tool. So go ahead and click on continue. And here, if they show you the recovery result and they say the missing emails were permanently deleted and they can't get them back, then that means that there is no way you can recover it. But if there are any available emails, they will show you and give you an option to recover them. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.